Hi there, Juliana Tomasek from julianatomasek.com, and today I'm showing you another Facebook hack. And what I'm going to show you today is how to schedule a post on a Facebook page. So this is for when you want to post a picture at a later time. So sometimes maybe you want to spend Saturday morning for an hour posting a bunch of pictures, and they will post over the next 2 weeks. You can do that, or even the next couple months. So you can do it all at once, and then it comes out as you want it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Facebook page, and this is a little bit country, which I just made a few minutes ago in a different video. And you're going to click on photo/video and upload a photo or video. And have this picture of a barn. And so I'm going to, this is a red barn in Wisconsin. I think there's no C there. Okay, there we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to the bottom, and I'm going to, where it says publish, I'm going to click this little button, and I'm going to hit schedule. And then it's going to pop up, when do I want to publish this? And right now it's Monday night at 10 o'clock, and I think that I want people to see it tomorrow morning, right? Now, I could have it just visible for a certain amount of time in the news feed, but I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna just schedule it. So I'm gonna click on the little calendar, and I'll click on the 12th, and this right here, the PST says I'm in Pacific Standard Time, so I live in Washington, and I'm gonna change this to, because people might see this on the East Coast, and since I like to post things in the morning, if I post at 4 o'clock my time, that is 5, 6, 7 a.m. on the East Coast, which is when people are waking up and having their coffee, and maybe they want to see a picture of a cool red barn, or whatever it is that you want to post. So if I post at 4:10, it's fine. a.m., just hit the A, and it turns to a.m., and then now I can hit schedule, and it will schedule it so you don't see it on this post, but it's scheduled for coming up. So that right there is how I schedule something in advance, and that way you can, like I said, you could spend 15 minutes and have a bunch of pictures and spread them out over a certain amount of time. And you see right here at the top, it says one scheduled post, scheduled for tomorrow at 4 a.m. And then if I want to peek at it, I could. Or I could schedule another one. I could schedule one for every day this week. So that's how you schedule a post on a Facebook page. Again, I'm Juliana Tomasek. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos for more social media and Facebook hacks. Have a great day.